Please subscribe to the Eyes of Owen.
Owen, I love you too much. Huh? I love you long time. You forget me.
Right, this is my room in the drop-in. Very friendly guy on reception. Funny guy, really nice. You get a kettle, obviously, and your water. All this will be added, obviously, if you use it. Flat screen TV. You've got a fridge again with some beers and Snickers and whatever. Temptation during the night. Hairdryer. Queen size bed. A nice clean bathroom. Very tidy. Very. Oops. Have to watch that one. I've had a few beers and fallen over that. And then in the corner have a safe and somewhere to put your clothes, but I won't really be unpacking that much. They've got a security system on the front door where you've got to take a card out with you because the door's locked. He said after a certain time. Aircon and a tiny balcony that you don't want to be venturing out onto when you've had a few. So if you head for the Carlton, it's just down this seedy little alleyway. I didn't even know them bars were here, to be honest. I'm not telling a lie, I didn't. But this will be a nice area for me tonight, just to explore and have a look around Bangkok. So I'm going to get myself a shower, freshened up. It smells really clean in here. Really sweet smell. It smells really fresh and flowery in here. A nice sweet smell. Well, that's one of the reasons that attracted me to the hotel with the reviews was immaculate, clean and well kept, and it is. It's nice and clean. So enough of this. Over and out. This is the hotel I'm staying, the drop-in. It's alright. Slept well last night. So there it is. You've got to look after your own key and your little night security tab. It's only hassle. Feeling in your pocket all the time if it's still there. So you come along this side. A few bars on here. The Shag Bar 2. I don't know where the Shag Bar 1 is. And it's right opposite the Radisson Blue, Little Soy. I walked past here last night, but I had a few beers. So where I'm going to go now, it's not mine, where I'm going to go now is Terminal 21. Quite a lot of traffic as well, isn't it? Quite a lot of traffic. At least it stopped raining. So what I'm going to do today, get some breakfast, and I'm going to retrace where I went last night, show you a few of the bars, when there's no girls, and talk about a few of the things that happened. Then I'm going to get on the BTS and I'm going to go to Pat Pong. I've not been there since 1989 and I just want to have a look round and see how much it's changed. So I'll do that. I want to go to MBK, maybe have a look round there. I don't know, I'll just make it up as I go along. But I'll be travelling around quite a bit and filming a few things. So yeah, that bus is noisy. It's just 11:06 and I've got to buy myself a new charging cable. I bought one in Chiang Mai and it worked about 3 times, and now my phone's been plugged in and it's only up to 30%, so I need my phone for my Google Maps. I know there's other places to go for breakfast, but I've got a Terminal 21 because it was delicious yesterday and it's on the way to where I'm going. I once, hold on, get across here. You see, I might have a look down this side tonight. I think these little side sides are going to be better value. The beer's more reasonably priced. This traffic is insane. I'll just have a quick walk down Soy Cowboy during the day. I'm a tourist. Here we are, Soy Cowboy. Well, this is the famous Soy Cowboy. It's alright to film in the daytime, you don't get any hassle. I walked down here last night, it was quite busy. Smells nice. Chicken. Oh, this barbecues. Smells beautiful. And sausages and fish. It's nice, that. Oh, tasty street food there. I didn't speak to them Thai ladies cooking because I could sense they're hardened to Westerners. I've seen it a million times and they're not interested. But as you go to the quieter places, they appreciate you a little bit more. But here, they're just hardened to it. That's my opinion. I might be wrong. Oh, it's dirty in here. 180. So I've got what I got last night, the crispy pork and the crispy duck, just for that pink stuff, pickled ginger, and I've got another pork and vegetable spicy soup. Now this soup, the broth, different taste to the one yesterday. It's more sour, really nice. You can't go wrong with this sort of food. Now then, last night, my first beer I had here, I sat at this balcony where that guy sat. I got a small Leo leg, and it was 140 baht. It's alright, just sat there, 140 baht for the Leo, small one. And I wandered along here. Obviously last night it was a lot busier, more people about, more people hassling you. May I have and I wandered along here, all street stalls selling Camagra, clothes, baseball caps, belts, dildos, whatever you want.
นั่นแหละเอาแล้วอย่างนี้ได้เรียกว่า
Why you won't make me
ก
you?
ริลไงต้องเข้าใจว่ากริลคือ